The Hubble Space Telescope has established an extraordinary new benchmark. It has detected the light of a star that was born within the first billion years after the universe was born from the Big Bang. Actually, it has become the most distant individual star and probably the oldest star ever seen. This sets up a major target for the James Webb Space Telescope in its first year, which had recently detected a galaxy 4.8 billion light-years away. But Hubble's most recent observation outshines the beautiful image taken by James Webb. Let's understand this image and compare it with the James Webb's latest image of our universe. Back in the year 2018, Hubble had discovered the farthest star ever known to us. That hot blue star existed only 4.4 billion years after the Big Bang. But this time, that record was also broken. Earendel, the newly detected and the farthest known star ever, has a small probability of being a population 3 star, meaning it contains almost no elements other than primordial hydrogen and helium. Though not surely, but scientists think Earendel is likely to have between 50 to 100 solar masses. That is rather a great amount of mass to hold in, so it is very likely that the star exploded as a supernova just a few million years after the forming. This newly detected star is so far away that its light has taken 12.9 billion years to reach Earth, appearing to us as it did when the universe was only 7% of its current age at redshift 6.2. However, due to the expansion of the universe, the star's observed position is now 28 billion light-years away. This is a huge discovery because until now the smallest objects previously seen at such great distances are clusters of stars embedded inside early galaxies. But this one is a single star, so obviously this should be small. Then how did we observe it? The light from Earendel was magnified not only by the huge total mass of the galaxy cluster WHL 013708 sitting between us and Earendel, but also another compact object of about 3 times the mass of the Sun within the galaxy cluster itself. This is an effect known as gravitational microlensing. The mass of the galaxy cluster wraps the fabric of space, creating a powerful neutral magnifying glass that distorts and greatly amplifies the light from distant objects behind it. Thanks to the rare alignment with the magnifying galaxy cluster, the star Earendel appears directly on or extremely close to a ripple in the fabric of space. This ripple, which is known in optics as caustic, provides maximum magnification and brightness. The effect is analogous to the rippled surface of a swimming pool, creating patterns of bright light on the bottom of the pool on a sunny day. The ripples on the surface acts as lenses and focus sunlight to maximum brightness on the pool floor. This caustic causes the star Earendel to pop out from the general glow of its home galaxy. Its brightness is magnified 1,000-fold or more. At this point, astronomers are not able to determine whether Earendel is a binary star, but they say it may be because most massive stars do have at least one smaller companion star. Astronomers expect that Earendel will remain highly magnified for years to come. It will be observed by James Webb Space Telescope later in 2022. Webb's high sensitivity to infrared light is needed to learn more about Earendel because its light is stretched to longer infrared wavelengths by the expansion of the universe. Subscribe so you don't miss it when Webb observes this star. But a few weeks ago, James Webb during its alignment process just checked out a star for fun. This is how the star looks using James Webb. And this is how it looks using Hubble. If you compare them beside one another, you can clearly notice how much better James Webb can see. Not only that, but James Webb also captured a galaxy about 4.8 billion light-years away, and that just when it is not fully equipped and ready yet. Just imagine what can James Webb find when it's entirely ready. Hey astronomy lovers, I'm thinking about starting a new series about some of the weirdest objects in the universe, objects like Earendel, supernova, Methuselah star and others. Let me know in the comments below if you are interested in them. Thanks for watching.